Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix your keyboard keys and your keyboard itself if it has suddenly stopped working, and you can do this without the need of a keyboard. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So over here in the search bar or on the Windows icon, right click and go over to settings, and you should go over here to ease of access. Search for keyboard here on the left side, and then you have to turn on the use on-screen keyboard. So once done here, you just have to go over here and search for run. So there, run. And you just have to type in dev mgmt.msc. This will go ahead and redirect you to the device manager so that you will get to reset the keyboard if it has having problems. So go over the keyboards here and you just have to find your main keyboard here. Right click, properties, driver, and update driver. Browse my computer. Let me pick from a list. I just have to select a different device driver here and click on next. You just have to follow the process and that should fix the issue, guys. All you have to do, guys, once done with that, you just have to restart your device. And there, guys. So uh, once done with that, guys, that should fix the issue. All you have to do is restart your computer and you should be good to go, guys. So okay, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.